Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name's Ed Miles and this is the BERING Run R glove. So the Run R glove is our entry level race glove. It comes in at a fantastic price point, but it is a fully spec'd up race track day glove. Let me talk you through a few of the features. So as you know, with all BERING gloves it's got to be CE approved, so you know all the materials have been tested to the highest standards, including the knuckle protection, all the leather on it for abrasion resistance, impact resistance. So run down the back of the glove. You've got double layer leather on the back of the glove here, so you're going to get full protection across all the fingers. Double layer leather on the little finger here as well, so if that one does hit the deck, you've got a good amount of leather there to protect you if you need it. Running down, you've got a hard knuckle plate to give you the protection you need on the knuckle, again impact tested CE standards. Running down, you've got the BERING logo, a small protector on this area here, just to give you that bit of extra protection that you're going to need. Running around to the front, you've got external stitching running around all the fingers. It's going to pull that stitching away from the top of your fingernail where it can get caught in, and to the outside of the glove for extra comfort. High grip pads on the fingers to give you more grip and more feel on those levers when you're braking hard or using the clutch. And running down the front of the glove, you can see it's full leather. There's nothing been skimped on here. It's full leather material all the way down the front of the glove. You've got a small plastic scaphoid slider. What this does is it allows the hand to move away, reduces the area of friction, pulls the hand away, takes the stress off the scaphoid and the collarbone. And then just under this flap here, you've got a full closure. As you can see, I've got no jacket on, but I can still tighten that up right around my wrist so it's not going to slide off in an accident, and then a Velcro closure around the bottom as well. So that's the BERING Run R glove. It's an absolutely perfect glove for those guys getting into track days or fast road riding. For any more information, please go to tranam.co.uk or check out our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.